In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana. If you're new to project management tools or looking to streamline your workflows, Asana is a powerful platform that can help you organize and manage your projects with ease. Let's dive right in and explore what Asana has to offer and how you can make the most of it. To begin, you'll first need to sign up for an Asana account if you haven't already. Simply head over to the Asana website and click on the Sign Up button. You can use your email to register or sign up with Google or Microsoft to sync with your existing accounts. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find several options to explore, but let's focus on starting a new project. Starting a new project in Asana is straightforward. You'll want to click on the Create Project button, which is usually prominently displayed on your dashboard. As you set up your project, you'll have a choice between different templates or a blank project. The templates are quite handy, especially if you have a specific project type in mind, like a marketing campaign or product launch. But for the purposes of this introduction, let's go with a blank project to keep things simple. Once you've chosen your project type, you'll be asked to name your project. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of your project, as this will help both you and your team stay organized. Asana also offers different project views. The most popular are the list view and the board view. If you prefer a more traditional task list layout, go with list view. For a more visual representation of your workflow, the board view mimics a Kanban board, which can be incredibly useful for tracking project stages. Now that your project shell is ready, it's time to add tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of your project in Asana. You'll click on the Add Task button to create a task. Be sure to give each task a clear, concise title and include all relevant details in the description box. You can set due dates for tasks, assign them to team members, and add subtasks to break down larger tasks into more manageable pieces. As your team starts working on the project, it's crucial to keep track of progress. Asana makes it easy with its Progress tab, where you can monitor all the tasks and see which ones are on track and which need attention. Remember, communication is key in project management. Asana integrates with various communication tools, and you can leave comments directly on tasks to keep everyone updated. With these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging Asana for your project management needs. Don't forget, the more you explore and use Asana, the more customized and effective your workflows will become. Thank you for joining me, and happy project planning.